1, 2, 3. Ghost! Ah, ghost! I'm so scary. I'm so scared of ghosts. 1, 2, 3. Go to the bathroom. Ah! You gotta go to the bathroom. Where do we go? Go! Go! Number what? Alright, number 3. Okay, let's see how we do. You guys are number 3, so sure. Let's see, did you get it right? I walked to the park yesterday. Plus ED, so this is no. Number 2, who's number 2? You guess? Very good. Oh, sorry, 3 cards for number 2. Let's see if you get your 7-card bonus. Did you walk to the store with courage? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we have did, so no. Very good. Plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys are number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get your 7-card bonus. I didn't not talk to Teacher Mario. I didn't not. So yes, you did talk to Teacher Mario. Yes, no, not. I didn't. No ED because did, but no extra not. No bonus for you. All right, Lucas, are you writer or runner? Writer. He understands. I'm just saying, you're a writer. Writer or runner?
Runner.
Runner. Wait, you are a writer? So you are a runner. You are a runner, so you are a writer. Ariel, writer or runner? Writer? You are a writer, so you are a runner, yes. No eraser. You are a eraser. Okay, a minute. You can do it. 1, 2, 3. Bum in the chair. Go. Number 2. No Chinese. Hello boys, hello. Give me a too bad, sorry, no slamming down like that. Too hard. You get, all right, you guys are number 3. 1 card for you. He doesn't talk to his mom on the phone. Talk no S because we have doesn't. Very good. Excellent job. Plus 7 cards. Could be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, it's better to be slow and yes than number 1 and no. Who's number 2 here? You guys. 1, 2, 3. He runs in the park every day with he friend. His friend. Ta de pangyo. His friend, not he friend. No. Huh? What's the other at? Period. Of course I have period. Yeah, blue period. No. I don't see now because you were eraser. No. There's 2 mistakes. Was he and the other one. Do or does? Does she eats the noodles in the bowl? No. S. You have? Does. Oh. You get it? So, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Last 3. We have Lucas Runner, Minnie Writer, Harry Writer. No, Harry Harry, bye-bye. Courage writer. No, courage runner. Super writer. And no writing, no writing.
And he eraser.
Ariel runner. Mike writer. This one is different. No X. I'm going to give you one verb. One verb. You write 2 sentences. 1, past, yesterday. 1, present, every day. So if I give you run, no, run would be hard. If I give you walk, I walked to the store. I walk to the store every day. Or he walks, blah, blah, blah. 2 sentences.
Okay.
Lots of writing for Mr. Writer. Our first verb is yell.
Yeah. Okay. I yelled.
What does it go? Go, 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 go,
I yelled at teacher. I yelled at teacher.
Careful, guys. I'll give you one clue. Remember, yell, act.
I yelled. Well, I know. Hey, this is question mark.
All right, number 3. 1 car. You go. Past. I yell at teacher. Past. Is that eraser or no? I did not yell at teacher. This is present. I do not. Did, do. Did, do, does. No. For you.
No.
This for you?
No. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Did
Did I yell at teacher? Past. No ED because we have did. Good. He is yelled? What the? This is present. Hey, courage, super. I not listening. 5 cards. Other team. Super encourage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your whiteboard. Super. What? 5 more cards. Super. This is your whiteboard. Looking at the teacher. Looking up here. 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. He is yelled at teacher. Why ED? ED is yesterday. Why is? No is in any of our sentences. No. He yells. He yells at the teacher. No bonus for you. No bonus for you. Number 1 team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
You're so welcome, son. I yelled at my mom yesterday. Yelled. ED. I yells. I, you, we, they. Yell. He, she, it. Yells. Yep, S is wrong. Because I, you, we, they, no S. He, she, it. Yes, S. At my mom. So no, at. Nobody is +7 for those ones. I hope we can do better on the test. Clean nicely. 5, 4, 3, 2, up.